Oh my goodness. I'm at sea. I'm at sea. Where am I going? Where am I going? All right, everybody. Today we're going to learn about a new explorer. Oh my goodness. The water. I'm out at sea. And I'm going exploring. There weren't any airplanes or trains in the times that Juan Garrido, our explorer for today, lived. So let's see who he was. Enjoy!
Juan Garrido, 1480 to 1550. He was born in 1480 in Africa, in the Congo. He was the first African to explore the New World. The New World is what we now know as America. When he was 25 years old, he moved to Lisbon, Portugal. So he went from Africa, the Congo's around that area, and he moved to Lisbon, which is right next to Spain in Europe, and that's where Lisbon is. He was baptized as a Christian with the name of Juan Garrido, which means handsome John. Later, he traveled to Spain. So he traveled from Portugal to Spain, where he joined a group of explorers who were to travel to La Española. They were to travel to La Española. La Española is what we now know as Dominican Republic. He became the first African to set foot in the New World. In 1508, when he was already in America, he joined another famous conquistador, Juan Ponce de León. They went on expeditions searching for gold. So that's why the Spanish traveled to America to find gold. They set sail to a land they knew as Belimi. So they traveled, and after a month of travel, they spotted land. Land ahoy! Such was the floral vegetation in this place that Juan Garrido named it La Florida. And that is what we now know as Florida in the United States. And maybe some of you have been to Orlando, and that is in Florida. So it was actually named by Juan Garrido. In 1515, Juan Garrido joined Hernando Cortés in his invasion of Mexico and took over Tenochtitlan, where he became the gatekeeper of the city. And there is Juan Garrido, and that is Hernando Cortés, who's gone to see Moctezuma in Tenochtitlan. After the fall of Tenochtitlan, the Spanish settled in what we now know as Mexico City. And if you remember, Miss Carla has mentioned that Mexico City was built on a lake. So you can see there's lots of water around the land, and then there's pyramids, little houses. In 1522, Garrido was given some land by the Spanish crown. That means the king and queen of Spain. And he was the first person in the whole of America to harvest wheat in the new land. And wheat is what we use to make bread with. So bread started to be made in America, in Mexico in particular. And he married and had 3 children. He died sometime around 1550 in Mexico City.